Welcome to episode 85 of Paper Brief, where we dive into the latest and most intriguing research papers. I'm Charlie, your host, joined by Cleo, an expert in AI and machine learning. Today, we'll explore an exciting paper on 3D scene editing. So Cleo, Customize Your NeRF talks about mixing text prompts and images for editing 3D scenes. Can you give us an overview of why this is groundbreaking?
Absolutely. It's fascinating stuff. Essentially, the paper introduces a method allowing detailed customization of neural radiance fields, that's NeRFs, leveraging both text and images. It represents a significant leap in personalizing 3D scenes, since it enables changes in fine detail while respecting the original scene's background. NeRFs have been traditionally static, so this approach opens doors to dynamic and user-specific modifications.
Intriguing. How does this method compare to traditional text-to-3D generation?
Well, traditional text-to-3D methods like Dreamfield and Dreamfusion start from scratch, creating objects based solely on text. This tool, on the other hand, edits existing 3D scenes to align them with new prompts and images, which is far more challenging since it requires keeping the scene coherent while manipulating specific parts.
That sounds complex. Can you break down how the editing works practically?
Of course. The process is divided into 3 steps. They start by training a NeRF that's aware of the foreground, identifying what can be edited. Then, if it's image-driven editing, they involve a diffusion model to embed the reference image. Finally, they use local global iterative editing to actually apply the changes, ensuring the new image aligns with the prompts or reference image.
So it's a pretty iterative and layered process. I'm curious, what's the role of text in this method?
Text serves as a precise directive for changes. It can guide the edit, from global scene tweaks to nuanced local adjustments, like swapping a statue for a tree. Plus, text makes the tool more accessible, since not everyone can craft a perfect reference image.
So it's really about customization at will. What kind of applications do you see for a tool like this?
The possibilities are broad, anything from virtual reality environments to movie special effects. Architects or designers could use this to show clients different concepts quickly, without needing to rebuild entire 3D models from scratch.
That's pretty revolutionary. How about the accuracy and the limits of these edits?
The tool has constraints to prevent unwanted changes to the scene's non-editing areas, maintaining the fidelity of the original backdrop. The paper outlines mechanisms to guide the edit accurately, despite these potential complexities.
It sounds amazing. Can we expect to see these capabilities integrated into consumer tech soon?
Given the rapid development in machine learning, I'd say it's only a matter of time. However, computing power and simplicity of use will play decisive roles in its widespread adoption.
Can't wait for that day. Well, Cleo, it's been a pleasure as always. Any final thoughts on this paper?
It highlights how machine learning isn't just about data. It's a creative tool capable of transforming industries. Truly exciting times we live in.
Absolutely. We'll keep an eye out for how this technology evolves. Thanks to everyone for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Paper Brief.